My name is Paris and I am the resident plant expert here at the Sill. So today I will be showing you how to repot a plant. Repotting can feel like an overwhelming experience for some plant parents, but it's actually a necessary part to proper plant care. The reason why you need to repot your plants is because the roots need space to keep growing in order to store more energy, which will help to facilitate more growth at the top. Be sure to always do the research on the plant that you have to make sure that you're upgrading it to the proper container size and giving it the correct soil that it needs to thrive happily. So the first thing I actually like to do is to prep my planter by placing some soil into the base of it. Fill up about 1/3 to almost 1/2 of the container size with soil. After you have your planter prepped, you can get your plant ready for its new home. So if your plants are a little bit tight in their grow pots, you can squeeze the grow pot going all the way around, which should help to loosen up the root ball. And then from there, you can take your hands around the base of your plant, tip it on its side, and gently wiggle and loosen it out. And so what I'm going to do is just loosen up some of this older soil at the top. So I'll loosen some of that up, and I'm also going to give this root ball a little bit of a squeeze to help loosen up the roots that are going to be at the bottom so that they hang a little bit more freely and can grow into the new soil. Then from there, you can see if it fits into your container. Basically, all you do from here is just add some more soil on the top to help fill out any voids, because you want to make sure that you don't have any roots poking out of the top. You want to make sure they're all covered and not exposed. You don't want to pack it down too hard, because then it'll be hard for airflow or even water to get to your plant's roots when it goes time to water it. You don't want to put soil all the way to the top. You want to leave about 1/2 inch to 1 inch of depth without soil, so that when you go to water your plant, water and soil doesn't spill out. Then afterwards, your plant is good to go. You can give it some water and place it into some sunlight.